We will start with a reference photo from internet. Select Bezier tool and start adding points around the outer edges. Now, double-click on Shape tool to select all nodes and convert to curve. Start dragging the lines and use node handles to fit on edges. Select node and click on Smooth node. Continue fitting the curve all over the edge. Select Bezier tool and start adding points around the outer edges. Now, double-click on Shape tool and convert to curve. Start dragging the lines and use node handles to fit on edges. Select nodes and click on Smooth node. Ctrl+L to combine together. Press plus on keyboard to duplicate and fill combined shape. Shift plus page down to send to back of all layers. Select image and go to Object, Power Clip, place inside frame. Select the shape. Select all. Ctrl+X to cut. Go to New Page, Ctrl+V to paste. Ctrl+X to cut. Go to Bitmap, convert to Bitmap and press OK. Now we want to add shadow. Press plus on keyboard to duplicate. Go to Bitmap, convert to Bitmap and press OK. Ctrl+V to paste. Select shadow. Go to Effects, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Increase effect. Press OK. With Transparency tool, increase transparency. Now our tutorial is finished. Hope you like my tutorial and find it helpful. If yes, give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorials.